Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Bandhan bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in Bandhan bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link bandhanbank.com. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to loading depending upon your internet connection. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Bandhan. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on login button to log in. Now guys, either you can log in with your internet banking or your corporate internet banking. For now, I'm going for internet banking. Again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Bandhan Bank. At the right side of your screen you can see the form. Over here you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly, enter your password over here. Just click on I agree to the term and condition of Bandhan Bank. Now just click on get OTP. From here guys you will get the new OTP. After then you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your user ID, just click on forgot user ID. Similarly, if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password. Similarly, unlock user ID and the known your customer ID. And guys, if you don't have any account of Bandhan Bank, just click on register now. Just click on register now, then you will be easily create a new account. Either you can log in with your MPIN. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.